In a previous video, I showed how to install a stereo into an '05 GMC Sierra. This time I'm going to show how to install the front door speakers. Alright, tool here. Just slides in behind. What it does is it goes in the groove and pushes this clip out that retains it. And there's a ring around, cut in around this shaft that clip sets into and holds this window crank on. And then you gotta pop out the locking mechanism. It just pops right out. There's a little stub sticking out of there that goes into the lock. Take the 7mm socket. And there's another one right here. So where you stick your hand through to close the door, the armrest, right there at the opening of it. There's one more screw right below the speaker at the very bottom of the door panel. Okay, then take your trim tool and kind of pry it in. And this grommer that goes around your opening handle. Just has these clips that you have to pop out of their pocket, and then at the front it just kind of locks it in place, so you pry it out like that and then pull it backwards. So that's all the bolts that hold in the door panel. Oh, don't forget to pop off this top part too. It just pulls right off. So it's got these clips. Oh. It's got these clips that lock it in place. Here, pry back, so pry at the top, and the front, and then this one just sets down in that pocket, so you lift it up. So now all the screws are out of your door panel. Go ahead and pick up on it, and it pops right off. Real easy. And then if you look, it's got all these tabs all over it that sit down in these pockets and hold it in place, and the screws just hold it down and keep it from coming up. Okay, so I'm going to center punch these holes for the speakers. Remove the old speaker. And as you can see, the speaker's blown out too. Okay, just to do it as clean as possible, ordered these wiring adapters for the speakers. And it plugs right in to the factory wiring. And you can see here I've already got one hooked up on a speaker. And I'm just putting some cheap Pioneer speakers in. Not trying to win any competitions here, I just want it to sound somewhat decent. You do have to make sure that all the tabs on the door panel properly fit down into the pockets in the doors. And as you can see now, the door panel went up flush to the door, so I got them in. So just put it back together in the opposite order that you took it apart in, and it really goes back together super easy. If you like the videos or they help you out at all, please subscribe. I could use the support.